Want to add a highlight on Instagram without anyone seeing your story? Here's the quick workaround. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Privacy, tap Story, then tap Hide Story From. Select all your followers so that nobody can view your story when you post it. Next, return to your profile and tap your profile picture to create a new story. Upload the photo or video you want to feature. Then tap the right side arrow to open the sharing options. Choose Add to Highlights, pick or create the highlight you want, and tap Done. Your story now lives in your highlights, even though nobody could see it live. Finally, go back into Settings and Privacy, tap Story, then Hide Story From, and clear your selection so your future stories are visible to everyone as usual. That's it. Your highlight is safe and private until you choose to share it. If this helped you, please tap like, share your best Instagram hack in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.